The human mind tends to think in terms of binary opposites, us and them, right and wrong, light and dark. Being able to find light in darkness at different times in our lives is a fundamental need that we all share. Perhaps it's the most important art of all in life, but sometimes it comes out of immense heartbreak. But it's an art that can resolve so much conflict, both within ourselves and in the world around us.
Close your eyes and see the light within the darkness.
Those who come at life from the heart, rather than this dualistic way of thinking.